Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session we are going to learn how to multiply any two numbers that are close to 100 and smaller than 100. This is a very easy method and it's much more simpler than actually sitting and multiplying those two numbers. This is very quick and will help you a lot during your exams. So let us see how we multiply these two numbers. Now let us see how we're going to multiply any two numbers that are smaller than 100 and close to 100. So let us take two numbers, for example 89 and 99. So first we'll write it in this format. Either of them could be on the top. It doesn't make any difference. Now we have to find the difference of 100 and 89. So 100 minus 89 is, so this is minus 11 and this is minus 1. Now we have to multiply both these numbers. So 11 into 1 is 11. Friends, remember that the multiplication of these two numbers should fill in two digits because 100 has two zeros. Now we have to subtract, we have to cross subtract the numbers. So either 1 from 89 or 11 from 99. The answer will be same. So when you subtract 1 from 89, we get 88. So the product of 89 and 99 is 8811. Isn't it so easy and exciting? And it's very fast. Let us take some more examples for this. Now friends, let us multiply 92 with 97. So 92 is minus 8 from 100 and 97 is minus 3 from 100. So the multiplication of 8 and 3 is 24 and this fills in two digits. Now we have to cross subtract. So let us subtract 92. Let us subtract 3 from 92, which is 89. So the multiplication of 92 and 97 is 8924. Now let us try to multiply 85 with 98. So this is minus 15 and this is minus 2. And 15 into 2 is 30. And cross subtraction of 85 and 2 would be 83. So the product of 85 and 98 is 8330. Now friends, let us try multiplying 75 with 97. So this is minus 25 and that is minus 3. So 25 into 3 is 75. And the cross subtraction of 75 and 3 would be 72. So the multiplication of 75 and 97 is 7275. Now we'll multiply 92 with 88. So this is minus 8 and this is minus 12. 12 into 8 is 96 and two digits have been filled over here. Now 92 minus 12 would be 80. So the product of 92 and 88 is 8096. Now we'll multiply 77 with 97. So this is 23 and this is 3. So 23 into 3 is 69 and 77 minus 3 or 97 minus 23 is 74. So the product of 77 and 97 is 7469. Now friends, we've taken quite a lot of problems in which the multiplication of these two digits of these two numbers is a two-digit number. But what if that the multiplication of any two such numbers is only one digit? Now let us see what we are supposed to do in such a case. Let us take for example 98 and 96. This is minus 2 and this is minus 4. Now we multiply these two numbers, we get 8. But friends, we need 2 digits over here because 100 has 2 zeros. So what we're supposed to do over here is we're supposed to put a 0 as it is. Okay, just keep in mind that when the multiplication of these two numbers is only 1 digit, we're supposed to put a 0 as it is. Now we have to follow the same process of cross subtraction. So 98 minus 4 is 94. So the multiplication of 98 and 96 is 9408. Let us take one more such example. 97 and 99. So this is minus 3 and this is minus 1. The multiplication is 3. So we put a 0 over here as it is to fill in this empty blank. Now 97 minus 1, we get 96. So the product of 97 and 99 is 9603. One more such example could be multiplication of 95 and 99. So this is minus 5 while this is minus 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. We put a 0 as it is over here. Then we subtract. So we get 94. So the multiplication of 95 and 99 is 9405. Now friends, what if the multiplication of any two such numbers over here is a 3-digit number? Then where will we put that extra digit? So now let us take some examples for that, in which we'll see what we have to do with that extra number. So let us take two numbers, for example 85 and 92. So they have to be written in the same manner. Now this is minus 15 and this is minus 8. The multiplication of 15 and 8 is 120. But we'll only put the tens and units digit over here. And we'll put 1 on this side. That we remember that we have a hundreds digit over here with us, which has to be carried forward. Now we have to subtract the numbers. So the subtraction of 8 from 85 would be 77. Friends, this is not our final answer. Over here we still remain with this 1. So now we have to carry it forward to this 7. So we'll add it. So the final answer would be 7820. The product of 85 and 92 will be 7820. Let us practice few more sums like this. We'll take 95 and 75. So 95 into 75. So this has a difference of 5 while this is 25. So 5 into 25 is 125. We'll write 25 as it is and 1 has to be carried forward. Now we'll subtract either of these. Cross subtraction is to be done over here. So 75 minus 5 is 70. Now this one has to be carried forward. So the final answer, the product of 95 and 75 will be 7125. Now friends, let us try to multiply 92 with 88. So this is minus 8 and this is minus 12. Sorry friends, we'll multiply 87 and 92. So it's 13 over here. I'm sorry. Now 13 into 8 is 104. So 04 will be written over here. I'll rewrite this. It's 13 over here. 04 over here and 1 has to be carried forward. So either subtract 8 from this or 13 from this. So we'll get 79. Now this one has to be carried over here. So 79 plus 1 is 80. and 04 as it is. So the product of 92 and 87 is 8004. I hope this method is clear to you, friends. If it's not clear, please just listen to this again and just practice these sums, because it's very easy and it takes just a few seconds to multiply any two-digit number which is smaller than 100 and close to 100. Thank you for watching this session. Next time we'll learn how to multiply digits that are greater than 100 and close to 100. So see you in the next session. Bye.